Hello, my name is Sai Venkat Reddy. My team members are Parag and Prajakta. We have built this advertising system based on the locations. Let me give you a brief overview of what this project is. So nowadays, people usually use social media a lot. They post everything on social media. Either they buy a good clothes, either they have a good makeup, whether they fly to some place or they move, they travel. Everything will be posted on social media. People mostly interact with others on social media. So while interacting, they upload images. So that images are our data. So we would like to use that data and leverage that data to suggest the recommendations to the customer, which they like, they use, and mostly the services also. If they are using a car, we can suggest some garages, some services, car service centers, and all. So for suggesting all this, we need the data. We need to extract the insights from the data. So this is a major task. So we as a team built a system which will identify the location of the images uploaded, and then we will customize the recommendations, and we'll have some set of products in prior. So we'll suggest one of the product they require to the user. Let me explain you the about. Let me show you the product first, and then we'll discuss about the terminologies and the technologies that we have used. So this is the interface. This is a basic interface of the product. This is like a social media interface. The user will enter his credentials. I'm entering mine here. Uh, yeah, there's a little mistake. So the user login using his information. Yeah. So the user will see this interface. This is the direct interface to upload the images, but in reality, this will be a social media interface such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, where they upload images, and our model will retrieve those informations from those scraping and give to this model. So we are going to upload images here. See, we are going to upload the images of jewelry. Upload the selected image. So what will happen in the backend? These images will be given to the model. In our model, there are multiple models involved. There are multiple architectures. We have used the state of art models from the scratch. We have never not used any libraries. We have built everything from scratch. We are using those architecture. These image will be given to those architectures, and every architecture will predict the location, predict what kind of image is this. See, after prediction, see, we are getting the jewelry advertisement. Oh, we can play this ad. We are getting the ad of jewelry. So what does this suggest is, let me now tell you what are the technical terms involved. So what are the models we are using? We are using DenseNet, we are using VGG13, we are using AlexNet, and most importantly, ResNet. ResNet is a revolution with residual connections. We are using all these architecture. Every architecture will predict an image, the scenario of the image, and all those things will be combined ensembledly. And say we are getting multiple things. So all this, the weightage will be given according to the model's capacity. So the ResNet is the modern one, so ResNet is given high weightage. ResNet was the old one, so it is given low priority. So based on this system, all the image models will predict image, and that will be given to the recommendation system, and the recommendation system will recommend the user the products among what we are having. So what we are planning is, we are extending this project. In the current system, we are predicting only one scenario, the jewelry, the bedroom. And what is our advancement is, what we are up to 70 to 80%, we have completed that, predicting every single object of the image, every single object, and reading the Instagram captions. We are using a YOLO 5 for object detection. We are building the YOLO 5. We are fine tuning it. And then we are building a BERT. We are using the transformer models, which is a revolutionary. We are replicating the standard paper. Attention is all you need. And we are building a text classification, reading the text and understanding the emotion of the text. So combining these two models, we have taken an Instagram API where we will be giving the user ID, and we are getting the images, the more top 10 or the frequent 10 images of the user. So combining all those, we are making this as a product to, like, we are making this to the bigger market. We will create the API of this application, and we can, any of the apps, like the person who is selling flowers, the person who is running a garage. These people can use this application based on the Instagram, the people's social media account. We will make sure that there'll be no privacy issues, only the open account and all. We'll make sure about that. This is the current system. This is nothing extremely new, but we are using the technologies. We are making things easy with the technology, and this will be upgrading. We are trying to upgrade the system according to the current state of the art models. Thank you.